Elon Musk says Starlink is in talks with Apple to hook up its internet service with iPhones. Get out of here.
Oh, yeah.
Have you verified this headline? I thought they didn't really get along all that much, Tim and Elon. But maybe they do. Well, maybe the Texas component to it.
For the sake of money?
Oh, is that what it is, Will?
Yeah,
is that all it takes? Well, they did talk a lot about satellites, more than I've seen in previous Apple events. It was all about the SOS feature. Mm-hmm. Remember, everyone was getting lost and dying and getting in car accidents, and having heart attacks at the very beginning. Yeah, it was just like it's like an Energizer commercial. Oh. Or Duracell.
Dude.
All they're doing is saving lives now. I'm like, wait, am I... Like, no one was playing games on their phones. Everybody was dying.
It was very serious.
A variety of causes. Maybe that's where we're at now, 2022. Elon Musk said Starlink has been having promising conversations with Apple. Apple announced its next iPhone will be able to make emergency calls using satellite service. Apple did not confirm if it's been in talks with Starlink. See, they won't admit it. They won't say it. Musk tweeted Thursday saying, we've had some promising conversations with Apple about Starlink connectivity. iPhone team is obviously super smart. A little compliment in there. For the iPhone team. He also said closing link from space to phone will work best if phone software and hardware adapt to space-based signals versus Starlink purely emulating cell tower. He's already got plenty of ideas here on how to implement. Something else that was interesting to me was this little tidbit that Apple put out that they'd be providing the SOS satellite service on the new phones for 2 years. But then they didn't really say what would happen after that. And I presume you would have some sort of subscription service or it would be included in some other service. Not really sure what that's going to be, but Mo was looking into it and he said there are similar services that could be like $15 a month. So it's worth noting. It's not going to be free forever. So somebody's going to have to make a business out of it. And I guess Elon's saying, hey, I can help out. And no problem there. There's probably a lot of iPhones out there. You need any help with that SOS, I'm right here for you. I've been launching satellites for a little bit now.
Yeah.
Help you out with that.